Hey everyone. Saturn is huge, right? But its density is actually less than water. Drop it in a massive bathtub and it would literally float. Look at that silent, colossal golden arc. It's hard to grasp the sheer scale. Earth would be a tiny speck here. And we're just getting started. This ghostly blue fog is the E-ring. It stretches out incredibly wide, and it's fed by something active, blasting from a nearby ocean moon. This tiny ball of ice is Enceladus. Those geysers shoot water ice into space, and there's a liquid ocean below, warm, salty, and incredibly promising. I'm right above the tiger stripes. Whoa! That pressure is absolutely massive. It vents directly from the ocean. Could be life swimming down there. And by life, I mostly mean microscopic organisms, not giant space squids. Space squid would make my quarterly report significantly more interesting. Anyway, back to scraping ice off the external sensors. They look like floating planetary wreckage, but it's just pure, ancient ice. Some are small as snowballs, others are as big as houses. No solid tracks up here at all, just billions of pristine ice boulders. They're pure water, drifting in orbit, gently bumping into each other. See those weird, braided ring dust strands? The shepherd moon Prometheus causes that. Its gravity literally ruffles the edges, carving waves in the dust. The rings look massive from out there. But look down edge on right here. They're only about 10 meters thick, thinner than a piece of paper. The beautiful rings aren't permanent at all. Magnetic fields pull their water downward, an absolute planetary scale icy downpour. They'll be completely gone eventually. This empty gap looks totally vacant. Gravity from Mimas swept it clear. A cosmic resonance highway right here. It feels incredibly lonely out here. Down here, the rings block the sunlight, plunging this half into deep winter. Temperatures are dropping fast now. It's a frozen, golden shadowland. A permanent, six-sided hurricane below us. It's wide enough for 2 Earths. Nature really loves geometry, doesn't it? Let's head inside this monster. No camera shake can capture this. Winds here are screaming past us. We are hitting the polar jet. It gets much thicker below. The magnetic field is incredibly strong. It funnels solar particles down here, creating these glowing green auroral ribbons. A beautiful, silent magnetic shield. The atmosphere is finally getting thick. I can feel the drag now. Pressure is rising with every meter. Say goodbye to the starry sky. This orange fog is photolytic smog, methane reacting with raw solar ultraviolet. It is completely toxic, of course, but visually it's absolutely stunning. Winds here reach 1,800 kilometers per hour. That's faster than sound. My suit is taking a beating. We are entering the real storm. These white clouds are frozen ammonia. It's minus 140 Celsius. So cold it freezes instantly here. And the pressure keeps climbing down. The clouds are turning reddish-brown now. This is toxic ammonium hydrosulfide. That massive vortex below is huge. Things are getting really intense here. Plunging deep! These convective downdrafts are wild. It's like diving into a pressure cooker. Everything is just so incredibly dense. I really shouldn't be here. The pressure's spiking! We're hitting deep clouds. That bolt was blindingly white. Way stronger than Earth's thunderstorms. Pure, raw, chaotic energy. See those small, sparkling specks? Carbon, crushed into diamonds down here. It literally rains diamonds in Saturn. A truly insane, glittering weather event. It's 150 Celsius down here. Getting really tight, really fast. My suit is working overtime. Time to get out of here. Back in the quiet zone. That was absolutely terrifying down there. Pressure is normal again, thank God. I really need a vacation. Look at the wake left by that storm. Truly planetary scale, right there. Vortices can last for entire months. Saturn just never stops surprising me. Ring shadows create a massive temperature drop. It happens in an instant. The cold is penetrating my suit. Moving back into the sun now. Saturn is a beast, absolutely magnificent. Thanks for flying along today, everyone. Space is weird, but it's home. Signing off for now, see ya. A halo of light, truly stunning. Goodbye, you magnificent ringed giant. Until the next big mission, guys, stay curious and keep looking up.